Hey, it's Elizabeth Brown, the Kitchen Vixen. Good morning. And I just got back from the gym, and well, from yoga. But first I went to the gym and had a session with my trainer, Simon. It sucked. It was good. It sucked in a good way. Like, it was intense, and I was cursing and laughing, and I spit my water out because Simon made me laugh. Which is And on my way out, Arnold was leaving at the same time, so I actually spoke to his friend Ralph and about us riding our bikes home together because we were all getting on our bikes, and Ralph was like, "It's my way or the Pacific Highway," and I'm like, "Okay, I'm just gonna go." We did want to ride with them. I don't know which direction they were going. He does ride past my apartment all the time, but I really wanted to ask him to be on my show. He either say yes or no, and that's all there is to it. I'm making chicken piccata today, and I'm really winging it. I don't have lemon juice, which is in traditional chicken piccata. I also don't have capers, but I read that thyme is a good substitute for capers, so we're gonna give that a shot. And I'm gonna use orange for my citrus. But some things that are pretty universal about chicken piccata or similar chicken recipes is that I personally like my chicken pounded, and then you dredge it in flour, like flour, salt and pepper mixture. So normally I put salt and pepper in the skillet, but because I'm adding it to my flour, obviously I don't need to put it in the skillet. Put some in the flour. All right, just a little bit of salt. I cannot go to work for 12 hours and not have food with me. So the good thing about me making videos is that now I'm always making really good food for myself. I eat well, but I don't always eat such a variety as you're seeing in my videos. In the flour. I think this is gonna be so good. I don't really know all the instructions. I've done piccata before. I've done marsala. Marsala is the other version where you might use the dredging. You don't need anything in the skillet except for a little bit of butter or olive oil or coconut oil, whatever is your oil of choice, so we can brown the dredged chicken. Use a separate cutting board just for the chicken so that that's an easy cleanup too. It's food safety as well. Some broccoli rabe, or some people call it rabini, or I think there's like 3 names for it, but I always call it broccoli rabe. I call it baby broccoli. And my skillet's not heating evenly, so I'm going to spin that around. All right, so the ends of the broccoli rabe are going to go into my soup stock. So my workout today, usually Simon and I do legs, but for some reason he was on a chest kick, which was good because I did back. Oh, I know why, because I told him I did back yesterday and my back was really sore. Like, I really had trouble getting up this morning. And so he's like, okay, so I did a lot of pulls. When you do back, you do pulling exercises. And the goal, if you haven't watched my egg video, which is like where it all starts, the egg is the basis of everything, the basis of life. We all come from eggs. Well, everything that a baby chick needs to live or to grow is in that egg. That's why I always encourage people to eat the whole egg, like the yolk as well. I have Simon in my video, and we talk about like the basic exercises. Like if you're hard boiling eggs for 12 minutes, you have 12 minutes to work out. There's no excuses why we can't work out. So I asked Simon, what are some exercises we could do in those 12 minutes that would be like a circuit? So Simon says a push, a pull, and a squat.
How you doing, Elizabeth? Nice to see you.
So today we're going to talk about what exercises are as basic as the egg. Because eggs contain in the perfect proportion all of your essential amino acids. And amino acids are used to make every cell of your body. They make digestive enzymes, so they help you break down food. And those same amino acids are used to rebuild and restore muscle after exercise. Okay, we have hard-boiled eggs on the stove, ready to go. So when we get home, we have a good snack. But in the meantime, in that 12 minutes, I want people to use their time efficiently. So show us a workout we can do in those 12 minutes.
Excellent. So we're going to just pick 3 exercises, fundamental movements in the body. Just sit down. Just put your hands in front just to give you a little bit of tension through the... Excellent. So Elizabeth is a highly trained athlete, and she's immediately going into a full push-up position. So as we go slowly down, there you go. I'm looking that her elbows stay below the shoulders.
So Chandler's a girl, but when I found her, we didn't know. We thought she might have been a boy, and it's like 1 in 400,000 tortie cats that would be boys. So she probably, was a girl, but I wanted to name her Chandler because even if she was a girl, I'd be like, Chandler's a girl. Or if she was a boy, it would have worked too. I love Friends, obviously. I didn't eat all my berries yesterday, and I really liked my peanut butter smoothie, so I'm gonna do like a peanut butter smoothie, green smoothie with berries. A couple berries left from yesterday, some mulberries and raspberries and some schnozberries. Who ever heard of a schnozberry? I got my pumpkin seeds, sesame seeds, and sunflower seeds mixture, about 2 tablespoons worth. I have 2 good scoops of protein powder, chocolate protein powder. And I'll do my tablespoon of nutritional yeast, which I am referred to on Wikipedia. I always mention that. Oh, I know what we're going to do next with this. We have to deglaze the pan. That's the best part. So I don't have lemon. I have limes, but I thought an orange might work better. I guess it'll be more like an orange chicken. And then I'm going to put the thyme in. So I'm just going to juice an orange. Again, remember when we juice Chandler, get off of that. He's fighting on the cord. Stop it. So when we juice, don't forget to engage. Don't forget, see, engage the core. See, man, Simon had me do some really hard ab exercises today. My workouts with Simon are more fun than my own workouts. He definitely pushes me harder than I push myself. I've always been into working triceps because I want to keep my arms like taut as I get older. My salad yesterday was so good, and I actually had a little bit left this morning, and that's what I ate when I came back from the gym. So it's one of those salads that actually works well even once the dressing is on, even the next day, even with like the walnuts and the rice. All right, now we're gonna deglaze using apple cider vinegar. It's just what I have right now. So, and then you usually use a wooden spoon to pull up the brown bits. That's where all the flavor comes from. That's what's gonna make this really good. Add the orange juice. My time. See what's become of me while I look around for my possibilities. I was too blind to see. Chandler, Fraser, what are you doing? Oh, Basil. Look around, leaves are brown, and the sky is a hazy shade of winter. By the way, I went to work yesterday, and one of my coworkers watches my videos now, and he started singing my workout song. I'm going to the gym, I'm going to the gym, I'm going to the gym. So I thought that was cute. Somebody learned my song. And he wasn't going to the gym, but he's going to go to the gym, he promised me. I don't like to bother people. I want people just to be motivated when they're ready. But I like to encourage them and discuss how important it is. Okay, so we got a nice sauce going here. So you can see it's a little bit thicker though. See my sauce? Try to get all the sauce on one side. Go with the chicken, and then it's going to heat my broccolini. That's a lot. Whew. A little bit of rice. And then I gotta go. These green bags that you get at the grocery store too are really great for preserving your veggies. Like when I put these in I put my produce in these, they're like almost like rubbery, which is nice. It's probably not plastic, so they're more biodegradable. But when I put these in my produce bin in here, these things last, my greens last much longer. There we go. See, Chandler? Chicken piccata and broccoli rabe and wild brown rice combo. That's my food for the day and my smoothie. That's all I have. I mean, it's like the equivalent of 4 meals because I double my protein powder and everything in my recipe. So it's more food than you would think. All right, nutritional yeast. I forgot my peanut butter. I'm always forgetting something. This is why it's good to have a mise en place when you have like a lot of different ingredients like this. Most of my recipes are pretty simple, but my smoothies are pretty entailed with lots of little things that make a difference. I think I might do some, I'm eating chicken thighs, so I'm not gonna do molasses today. Get my iron for my chicken thighs. All right, let's taste a little bit of the chicken, and then I gotta clean up and go to work. It's good. The lemon definitely would have made it better. The orange just isn't strong enough, but it's still good. I'm not sure about the coconut flour for this either. Maybe regular, like a brown rice flour would have been a better option.
Okay, so I'm ready to go to work.
All right, have a good day.